Hello there, I'm fitting some replacement mirrors to my bike. I got these, I'll put the name in the description of them, but they go into the proper stalks here. I've got these annoying on the end of the bars things, and when you're trying to slide your hand off of the end of the bar, they're sort of in the way, you know, so I got these instead. So I think they're just a 10mm fit in here, so we'll see how they go on. Yeah, so they seem to go on quite easy. Well, as you can see, they've gone on pretty good. Just a lock nut there and a tightener there. The end is pretty sturdy. One on this side as well, so I'm going to get togged up and take them for a spin. So we're excuse me. So we're hopefully recording this. Take these mirrors for a spin. They seem pretty good. I'll just adjust this one up a little. That's better. Beautiful day in Germany. I'm going to take them up to about 80 and sit there for a bit. Seems they're pretty stable, so let's wind it up a bit. We're doing about 96 kilometers now, and they're doing okay. Stable, and the view out of them is very good actually. Better than the ones on the end of the handlebars, you know. So pretty pleased with that. And very cheap, 18 euros on the good old Amazon. So vibration doesn't seem to be that big a deal. And it's not the windiest of days, but it's not the stillest of days either. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. The ones on the end of the handlebars seem to just give you a view of your elbow, you know, which is not particularly what you want to see when you're riding around and trying to be safe, you know. So they might have looked a little stylish, but they actually weren't that good. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with these. A lot better.